So in this video, I'm going to show you a super lazy way to make $100 per day in the form of Bitcoin. You can see that I'm logged in here to my ledger. So far, we've brought in actually over $3,000. I'm waiting on a pending amount of right around 600 bucks. But nonetheless, if we scroll down here, we can see all the transactions starting from the beginning of February when I started completing these activities every single day. It takes no more than 5 to 10 minutes a day, and the Bitcoin started rolling in. So you can see the proof right here. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to set this same exact system up. So if you're looking forward to the content, go ahead, drop the video a like. Also, this is part of a series where I'm showing you exactly how to go from zero to earning $10,000 per month online in the form of crypto. This is just one specific income stream and one strategy. So tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you yet another strategy. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you tick the bell icon so you're notified of when that video releases. Nonetheless, step one is to definitely check out the playlist below if you have not checked it out up to this point. Again, like I said, we're in the middle of a series. So for this to make sense, you want to start with video one. And again, that playlist will be, in fact, in the description below. Well, let's go ahead and let's pull this up here. I'm just going to drag this straight over. And you could see this is known as CMB, Coin Market Bull. I've been in this project for a little over a month, and it's doing really, really well. You could see that the pending amount right now is for $649. And if we go to my e-wallet here and we go to withdraw money, you can see that I've got a pending amount right here of 649, which would make this, well over $3,000 for the past month. So what is CMB and what am I doing to actually make money from this? Well, again, in the playlist below, it'll go into complete depth of how CMB runs. But to explain it in summary, essentially, there's two ways that you can make money with this. You can make 1.2 to 1.8% per day on your deposit, as well as you can refer people to CMB and you can earn 10% of whatever they deposit. And there are also multiple levels that you can make money on. So if you bring somebody in, they bring a team in, you can make money that way. And so what most people struggle with is, yeah, they can make a deposit and they can earn 1.2 to 1.8% per day on their deposit, and they can ROI a little over 100 days. But where the real money is made as well is on the affiliate side, the recruiting side. And you see a lot of YouTube influencers making a lot of money from referrals. And so a lot of people want to make money like the big YouTubers make, but they don't know where to start. And so what I allow people to do is actually copy my promotional videos and upload them to their YouTube channel. And I show my team how to do this within my DeFi Guys Mastermind. And there will be a link below where you can test this out 100% free for the next 14 days. So step one in this case, you can start earning money two ways, is number one, make a deposit. Okay, so you can start earning that daily profit. And then step two is to get involved into the DeFi Guys Mastermind, so you could start earning affiliate commissions as well. So you can ROI faster, so you can mitigate risk. Of course, with any crypto project out there, there's risks involved. You don't know how long these projects are going to be around for. So it's important to not only get in early from my experience, but also to have a base that you can recruit from. And so I want to teach you how to not only make money from your deposit, and the way that they're getting this ROI is trading on Binance futures. So they make a percentage and then they pass that percentage down to you. And so you can see my direct referrals right here. Okay. Everything that I've done here, you guys will be able to copy everything. And again, all the videos are uploaded to a Google Drive. Once you get inside of the mastermind and you get inside of the Discord, you can see right here, this is our actual community chat. And you can see, for example, Check this out. Sir, in 24 hours, I got 38 views, 9 subscribers, 152 impressions, and 1.6 hour watch time from just simply copying my first video and uploading it. And this is a compound effect that's going to grow over time. As you get more subscribers, as you get more views to your channel, you're going to start to bring in these affiliate commissions that you can see right here. Total earnings, $2,441.54. So this is really going to grow over time as we upload more videos together, as you start to integrate some of your own marketing, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. You can really start to take advantage of crypto from the creator side and the affiliate side, as well as the passive side and the trading side, and leveraging the trading bot that's built within. And so what most influencers will do is they will promote to you, but they won't teach you exactly how they're really making the big money. Not only do we make money from CMB, but we're also making money from marketing different projects. There's different developers that come to me and they say, hey, I'll give you X amount if you showcase this project on your channel. So in all transparency, I make money from the promotional videos that I create. I make money from CMB, the passive side, the trading bot, as well as the active side when I promote it to other people. And so you can go down here, you can actually check out the presentation of CMB. Okay, we can go ahead and download it, and we can scroll down here to the very bottom and it'll give us like a quick summary of how this works. So first off, you need to activate the bot for 50 bucks. And then any additional monies that are deposited after that are used for trading. So you can see that you can deposit 50 is the minimum, all the way up to 100,000. You're going to get 1.2 to 1.8% daily. And once you begin to promote this to your team, the way that I show you exactly how to do it, you won't just earn the 10% off of direct referrals, but again, you're going to refer people to the DeFi Guys Mastermind, and I'm going to train them on how to build their team as well. So you'll begin earning commissions all the way down to 10 levels. Not only this, but you're also going to be making commissions from the DeFi Guys Mastermind itself. There's a 14-day trial. You'll become an affiliate. You're going to earn 50% commissions off of that. Right now, it runs $97 per month. So you'll earn commissions from CMB as well as a DeFi Guys Mastermind. Again, I do a full mind map tutorial about this stuff in the playlist below, so make sure that you check that out. This is super, super exciting stuff. You can see some proof here of them trading on Binance Futures. But if we scroll all the way down here, you can see that the bot produces 1.2% to 1.8% daily. So you're earning from that passive side as well. You can withdraw your profits daily. You can withdraw commissions. The minimum daily withdrawal amount is $20. This is the fee, 5%. You can withdraw 24/7, and you can withdraw every single day. You can even withdraw your initial capital after 8 months. So you're not only earning from this passive side here, but once you join the DeFi Guys Mastermind as well, I'm going to show you how to start earning from this active side here as well. And that's where you really begin to get the life-changing income that you see here on my dashboard. Okay, so go ahead. All you need to do is follow the steps below, subscribe to this channel, tick the bell icon, and then follow all of the instructions in the description below, and you'll be well on your way to profits. So thanks so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.